I bet you didn't know making $100,000 could be this simple. Or this tough. Join Money Smart Basics on a journey to crack the $100,000 code. And see if it's truly the hardest part of building wealth. Ready to take the challenge? Let's do this. Remember to like and subscribe for more Money Smart Basics videos. Stay until the end to receive a bonus tip. If you have any suggestions for financial literacy topics, please leave a comment. Thanks for watching. Building wealth is like starting a fire. It begins with a small spark, a tiny flame that needs nurturing and care. It takes effort to get it going at first. You can't just throw a log on and expect it to catch fire immediately. You need kindling and tinder to catch the initial flame. These small, easily ignitable materials are essential to get things started. This first bit of effort is crucial. Without it, the fire won't catch and you'll be left in the cold. Without it, you can't enjoy the warmth and benefits of a roaring fire. The same principle applies to building wealth. The same goes for your money. Just like a fire needs kindling, your financial journey needs an initial investment. That first $100,000 you save is like that initial spark. It's the foundation upon which you build your financial future. It takes focus and discipline to accumulate. You need to be diligent, making sure every dollar is working towards your goal. But once you have it, you set a powerful foundation for future wealth. This initial sum acts as a catalyst, propelling you forward. This initial sum becomes the fuel that ignites your financial future. It allows you to take advantage of opportunities that come your way. Think of it as the base of your financial bonfire. As you add more fuel, the fire grows stronger and more resilient. It may seem small at first, but it has the potential to grow into something much bigger and more powerful. With each addition, your wealth compounds, creating a cycle of growth. This initial step is what separates those who dream of wealth from those who actually build it. It's the difference between wishing for financial security and actively working towards it. Educating yourself is another crucial step. Just as you learn the best techniques to build a fire, you need to understand the principles of investing and saving. Seek advice from experts. Use tools and resources available to you. This knowledge will help you make informed decisions, ensuring your financial fire doesn't burn out. Set clear financial goals. Know what you're working towards, whether it's buying a home, starting a business, or retiring comfortably. Celebrate your milestones. Each achievement, no matter how small, is a step closer to your ultimate goal. Keep adding fuel to your financial fire. Continue to save, invest, and grow your wealth. Over time, your efforts will pay off, and you'll enjoy the warmth and security of financial independence. Remember, building wealth is a journey, not a destination. Stay focused, stay disciplined, and keep your financial fire burning bright. With patience and perseverance, you'll create a legacy of wealth that can be passed down to future generations. Your financial fire will continue to burn, providing warmth and security for years to come. Think of the impact your financial decisions will have on your loved ones. By building a strong financial foundation, you're not just securing your future, but theirs as well. The spark of wealth you create today can ignite a brighter, more prosperous future for you and your family. So start now, nurture that spark, and watch it grow into a blazing fire of financial success. Many people put off investing. They say they don't make enough money. They claim they have too many expenses. These are just excuses. The truth is, anyone can start investing with a little planning and effort. The most important step is to simply begin. Don't wait for the perfect time or until you have a large sum to invest. Even small amounts invested consistently can grow significantly over time. Remember, the longer you wait, the further behind you fall. Time is your greatest asset when it comes to building wealth. Don't let it slip away. Start small, be consistent, and watch your money grow. Compound interest is one of the most powerful forces in finance. It has the potential to transform your financial future in ways you might not have imagined. It's like a snowball rolling down a hill. At first it starts small and seems insignificant, but as it rolls, it picks up more snow, growing larger and larger. This is exactly how compound interest works. In simple terms, it means earning interest on your interest. Imagine planting a seed and watching it grow into a tree that bears fruit year after year. When you reinvest your earnings, those earnings generate their own earnings. This reinvestment is crucial because it allows your money to grow exponentially. Over time, this creates a snowball effect that can significantly accelerate your wealth accumulation. The longer you let it roll, the bigger it gets. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to compound, and the more dramatic the results. Starting early gives your investments the maximum time to grow. Even small amounts invested consistently over time can grow to substantial sums thanks to the power of compounding. It's like watching a small plant grow into a towering tree. It's like magic, but it's real. The key is patience and consistency. Make this magic work for you. Start investing today, no matter how small the amount. Over time, you'll be amazed at how much your money can grow. Building wealth requires more than just financial knowledge. It's about understanding the deeper relationship you have with money and how it influences your daily decisions. It requires a shift in mindset. This shift is not just about learning new strategies but also about unlearning old habits that no longer serve you. You need to view money as a tool to build your future, not just something to spend today. Think of it as a resource that can help you achieve your long-term goals and dreams. This means developing healthy financial habits and making conscious choices about your spending. It's about being intentional with every dollar you earn and spend. Start by tracking your expenses. This simple act can open your eyes to where your money is going and help you make more informed decisions. Where does your money go each month? Are there areas where you can cut back without feeling deprived? Once you understand your spending patterns, you can identify areas to cut back and save more. This might mean cooking at home more often or finding cheaper alternatives for your daily expenses. Remember, small changes can make a big difference over time. Even minor adjustments in your spending can lead to significant savings. Challenge yourself to live below your means. This doesn't mean living a life of deprivation, but rather making smarter choices that align with your financial goals. This doesn't mean depriving yourself. It's about finding joy in the simple things and being content with what you have. It simply means making conscious spending choices and prioritizing your financial goals. By doing so, you can create a more secure and prosperous future for yourself. This shift in mindset is crucial for long-term financial success. It's about building a foundation that will support you through life's ups and downs, ensuring that you have the resources to achieve your dreams and live comfortably. Section 5. Reaching the $100,000 milestone. What changes? Reaching that first $100,000 is a significant milestone. It opens up a world of opportunities. You'll have a solid financial cushion, which can provide peace of mind and reduce financial stress. This cushion can be your emergency fund, a down payment on a house, or even seed money for a business. Importantly, reaching this milestone proves you can set and achieve financial goals. This success can boost your confidence and motivate you to achieve even bigger financial goals. You'll start to see the power of your actions and the tangible results of your efforts. Section 6. Practical steps to your first $100,000. How do you reach that first $100,000? Start by increasing your income. Look for a higher-paying job, ask for a raise, or explore side hustles. The more you earn, the more you can save. Next, cut your expenses. Track your spending, identify areas where you can reduce, and stick to a budget. Remember, it's not about deprivation, but about being mindful of your spending. Automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers to your savings or investment accounts each month. This pay-yourself-first strategy ensures you're consistently saving towards your goal. Section 7. Building momentum. It gets easier. The journey to financial freedom may seem daunting at first, but remember, it gets easier over time. As you develop good financial habits and start seeing progress, it becomes a positive feedback loop. Your success fuels your motivation to keep going. Consistency is key. Don't get discouraged by setbacks or slow progress. Just keep going, even if it's one small step at a time. Over time, these small steps add up to significant strides towards your financial goals. Section 8. Your journey to financial freedom. Financial freedom is within your reach. It starts with a decision to take control of your finances, make smart choices, and build a secure future for yourself and your loved ones. The journey may have its challenges, but the rewards are worth it. Imagine the peace of mind knowing you're financially secure. Imagine the freedom to pursue your passions without financial constraints. That's the power of financial freedom. And it all starts with that first step. Start today and don't look back. Congratulations, you made it to the end of the video. With that, you are ahead of 90% of most people in America. Here is the bonus tip that we promised. I'm sure you've heard the news. Saving $100,000 isn't easy. Here's a tip. Automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account every month. It's the easiest way to build wealth without thinking about it. The information in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only, and is not intended as financial advice. We are not financial advisors, and the content should not be construed as professional financial advice. Always seek the advice of a qualified financial advisor or other professional regarding your specific financial situation. The use of any information provided in this video is solely at your own risk. Please remember to like, subscribe and comment for more Money Smart Basics videos.